Hello and welcome to Module 8 for ED 584. The picture that I shared with you for this module was taken about 5 years ago, back in March of 2013. And I'm looking east toward the Teton Range that runs along the Idaho-Wyoming border. Just was a real nice time of the year, getting close to the end of winter, getting to early spring, and this photo just shows the beauty of that part of our state. Moving into the learning module. This module continues our study of the different forms of the ANOVA, and we will specifically focus on within subjects ANOVA analysis procedure. And this is also referred to as the repeated measures ANOVA, where the one way between subjects ANOVA allowed us to compare independent groups. The within subjects ANOVA allows us to compare related groups and is similar to the related t-test in its purpose. Assumptions of the within subjects ANOVA are similar but different from that of the between subjects ANOVA and should be closely reviewed. When working with SPSS, you'll find that the organization of the data for a within subjects ANOVA needs to be structured in a different manner than how it was done with the between subjects ANOVA. For a within subjects procedure, each factor level should be recorded in SPSS as its own variable. In other words, if the research involves a factor with 3 levels, the data set will need at least 3 separate variables, 1 for each factor level. If there's 4 levels, then the data set would entail at least 4 separate variables. Thinking back on the between subjects ANOVA, you'll note that this is a different way to organize the data. Then there are the learning objectives, and I will let you read those at your convenience. And then going to the directions for this module. From the statistics for the behavioral science, read chapter 13. The supporting PowerPoint slideshow is provided with the password. And then there is a supplemental YouTube video, ANOVA within subjects design. Read section 6.7 on repeated measures ANOVA and how to use SPSS. For the assignments, we will have you complete quiz number 7, and that's found on the Blackboard Learn website. You're allowed 2 attempts, and the highest of the attempts will be the final score. If you struggle, and not with just this quiz, but with any of the quizzes, please let me know. I'll be happy to reset and provide more opportunities. We'll also have you complete your Module 8 reflective commentary with the link in Blackboard Learn. Things to think about for the next module. After finishing the study of the topics within this module, it is recommended you take some time to review the materials covered in the course up to this point. Also, familiarization with published studies that have used the ANOVA method will be valuable in better understanding how the procedure is used and how it is reported within formal publications. We are getting near the midterm of the semester. Just as a friendly reminder that the research proposal summary assignment will be due on March 15th. You should also start to be thinking and be working on the draft research methodology chapter of the dissertation or thesis assignment. We're just a short 2 months away from when the paper and presentation will be due. A couple other things. The second Moscow face-to-face discussion question and answer meeting will be on March 5th from 5 to 7 p.m. And then I will be in Coeur d'Alene on March 7th from 5 to 7 p.m. And I'll let you know where the locations are for those. And I would also request, if you do plan on attending, please RSVP. Let me know that you will be there. Again, the draft research proposal is due on March 15th, and as I mentioned a couple minutes ago, we're getting close. We're just 2 short months from when the final project and presentation will be due. As always, do not hesitate to let me know if you have any questions. And I look forward to reading your reflections and your work from this learning module. Thank you.